Hi Sahil, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Hello. I'm good too.
Yes.
So Sahil, how was your weekend?
Good. How was yours?
So what did you do? Mine was good. What did you do on the weekend? You went for some outing?
I just rested the weekend.
Okay. So you enjoyed yourself, right?
Yes.
Okay. So now let's get back to work, shall we?
Okay. Yes.
So today we're gonna take fractions, a very interesting topic. And do you have any idea about what are fractions?
They're part of a whole.
Right, they're part of a whole. So to take an example, suppose
Okay.
I give you an apple, and right when you were about to eat that apple, your friend comes, and mama's not home. Then what do you do?
Okay.
The normal reaction would be to cut the apple into two parts and share with your friends, right? That means one apple was divided into two parts.
Yes.
And each friend had one part. So if I ask you what part of the apple you had, you will say 1 out of 2. Because you divided the apple into two parts, and out of the 2, you had 1. Right?
Okay.
So, let's see the representation of fraction. Here in the slide, you can see if I go to the first one, that is, if I go to this one, you can see that there are, the columns are marked with different colors.
Yes.
There are, if we count, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns in all, and out of them, 3 are shaded. So, how can the fraction be represented?
3 over 5.
Right. Can you just write it for me? How will you represent it?
Oh, yes.
Right. Good work. Now if we look at this one, how many parts it has been divided into?
2/3.
Right. So 2 parts are shaded out of 3.
Yes.
Let's move on to the practice problems. See here, you have to, you are given a picture and then you have options of fractions here. So you have to tell me which of the fractions will correctly represent the picture that is given.
Okay.
So in the first one, you can see there are how many ants?
8.
8 ants, and a few of them are marked with a cross.
Yes.
So if we want to write a fraction of the crossed ants to the total number of ants, what will it be? Just circle the right fraction. 1/2. So just circle the correct answer. Right. And if we move on to the next one, there are, this one is very interesting, slices of pizza, right?
Yes.
Check it, check it.
Oh.
No. How did you get to these answers? Okay, let me help you here, Sahil. See, there are 1, 2, 3, and 4 slices marked out of 6. So the fraction becomes 4 over 6 and will be reduced to?
2/3.
Right. Very good. Okay, Sahil. Now I think you have understood this concept. So let me give you a fraction, and you will simplify it to the lowest form. Is that okay?
Okay.
Suppose I give you 15 over 25. What will be the lowest
Okay.
fraction for this? Oh, great work. Then let's have another fraction for practice. Say I give you 21 over 28.
Okay.
Sahil, can you show me how did you work out to the answer?
7 goes into 21 and 8. I use 7, so 3 goes up on top. And then 7 times 4 is 28, so 4 goes on the bottom of the fraction.
Very good.